Hugo Bruce can't afford to defend kusasa. Tomorrow we are not playing a defensive formation. Asikho isikhathi sokuthi sisabichecha, asikho isikhathi sokuthi sizama ukavoid ukwenza ama mistake nan. Tomorrow, as ama legends say, we go for kill. Kusasa we go for kill. We can't afford to make any mistakes kusasa. And the reason I say this is, number one, Bafana is already under pressure. If we lose or draw kusasa pelile, forget about the World Cup, and we're not even sure if we're gonna qualify for the next coming World Cup. What's said is that Bafana already is a joke. People are already making fun of us, the way that we played, our players, our coach, and all of that. So it means the billions of people that watched the opening game, they are going to watch the game kusasa, because what they want to see is, let's see, what are these guys going to do different? Are they going to go for the same structure, or abanye bazospega bafuna ukusihleka, abanye bazospega bafuna ukuzonda? So if we had a chance to redeem ourselves, ile kusasa. So what Hugo Bruce needs to do, kusasa, number one, he needs to believe in his players. He needs to believe in himself as a coach, believe in his players, and then in a technical team, all they need to do is sit down and study ama mistakes. I mean, I'm not even a qualified analyst. I'm klali mina emabencini nanan, but I can already tell you ukuthi Checha ile kagubi. When you are playing against a team, strength sabo kakhulu sisemoyeni nibashala phansi, play short passes, avoid ama long pass, nasha ama short pass, carry the ball more, take on the players, play kakhulu ngama diagonal passes. I'm telling you, then Bafana is going to beat Ichecha. So Hugo Bruce akayeke lento kuba igwala, ayeke lento leno kuye emhlabeni wonke bese amaqeda lapho ayosihlaza. All he needs to do is the formation that helped Bafana qualify for the World Cup. Hugo Bruce needs to go back to that formation. He needs to apply those tactics Les Vegas apply lesaskati lesani Bafana idlala lama qualifying campaign. How did we qualify for the World Cup? Simple. We had 4 defenders, 2 midfields, abamile. We had wings. We had a number 10. It was sometimes Rilem Fukeng, sometimes it was Utemba Zwani, and then up front we used to attack strikers one in second half. Go back to that formation and learn a thing or two from Cape Verde. Asas no pronounce Kamalaki in Cape Verde, Cabo Verde, abanye basho kanjalo. Labantu laba bafet bakwazi ukuthi babambe iSpain. A country that's playing a World Cup for the first time. First game of the World Cup in front of the world, badlala against one of the biggest teams emhlabeni, i-team entswembu ngebholo, because iSpain bayakwazi ukunoka, bayakwazi ukuchange to transition, bayakwazi ukushoota, bayakwazi ukudefenda. They know how to do everything where football is concerned. Spain, they are one of the best footballing nations. Cape Verde babambile to a goalless draw. Spain sihluleka nokora kula game leya. What happened? Ucoach labantu laba, as much as sharp goalkeeper kept them in the game, but the instruction from the coach was simple. Gents, sidlala if it World Cup for the first time. We have nothing to lose. If team yadliwa dlalela nama contract, be seen emhlabeni wonke. Like, let the world know ukuthi khona le country lekuthiwa Cape Verde singaziwa kuphela ukuthi sinabafazi abahle in our country. Let the world also know us for our beautiful football. And they went and challenged the Spain. Spain besingekho special lelanga lelana. So I don't even want to talk about Ichecha ayikho special. Ichecha ayikho special. No mubheka leading to this qualifying, leading to World Cup ne. Wonke ama game abo bawadlalile, the past 6 games they've won wonke lama game abo. So le game yabo bayidliwa against South Korea, I game yokuqala bayidliwa, but you look at the opposition bebadlala nayo. You look at the score bebawina ngaso. You look at the way bebawina ngakhona. Labantu laba, the only thing that they have ahead of us is height. But in terms of football, thina simnandi ukubahlula labantu laba. We have players that know how to take players on. We have players that know how to read the game in, like Abotebuho, Abotebzam Rembu. You have about Jaden Adams, abakwazi ukushala ama pinpoint passing, abakwazi ukubuya track back, cover space, abakwazi nokuthi futhi baridi game bafaka amanye amajite egamini. Labantu laba bona, they don't have that. So we have the upper hand leading to the game. If only ucoach wetu can believe in his players and allow his players to play le bola leli abalazio. If Hugo Bruce ubona ngathi le game le ninzima for yena imshubele, it's fine. He can call a team yama analyst aku Mamelodi Sundowns abacele advice. He can call a team yama analyst aku Orlando Pirates abacele advice. Bazomsiza bamguide bamtshele ukuthi play this player here, play this player la, nakanje. And also, going into this game, my biggest concern is that Hugo Bruce is one guy. Ne? You have a bad game under Hugo Bruce, we have to call next game. You play bad under Hugo Bruce, we have to call next game. So I wouldn't be shocked if Hugo Bruce played the same team Only difference is that this time Agnayaya, but he can play the same team and just play another midfield instead of playing Uyaya. I don't understand, Bafit. Mexico besingana zatu sokwisaba. Ichecha, we have no reason yokubasaba. Group yethu has to be one of the weakest groups go World Cup. Yabona if begu country sleme fana na bobo Morocco bagule group yethu. Morocco beyoshawe na Mexico shawe na Chechi pindi shawe kwa yona is South Korea. And another thing that keeps failing our football is the fact that we take local players from mama local teams wethu sibafaka ku national team mabafika ku national team sifuna ukuthi ba change philosophy yabo yokudlala uOzwina Police asafuna ukuthi abe yilo Ozwina Police esimbonile ku Betway Premiership akora ama brace against amaZulu akora against abo Chiefs taking the game to Mamelodi Sundowns coming in as a sub for Orlando Pirates against the St. Eloi Lipopo scoring an important goal. We don't want to see that our Police must fika ku national team. I don't understand why sifuna kumchange masaka fika ku national team we don't embrace ama strengths wakhe. We try to change indlela yakhe yokudlala. All of a sudden sesifuna ukuthi apolice adlala igame angajwayelanga. That's not fair. Hugo Bruce, all he needs to do kusasa bafethu, take the game to Ichecha. From the first whistle, attack the shit out of Ichecha kusasa balandwe labantu laba Ichecha nabo balale bakhathele bawuzukuthi bafethu sibuye kuyodlala nebafana. We need to redeem our status. Kuna fellow Africans that watch bafana just to hate. Labo bantu labo kusasa mele ukuthi bagwinya mathi. Mele baswabe labo bantu labo kusasa bazibuze nokuthi why are we hating on these guys? But ke ngalo mjita lo coachayo anything is possible. Mina all I can say to my fellow South Africans is that kusasa brace yourselves for anything. Singakhala singajabula. Anything is possible under Hugo Bruce. And we saw he failed against Mexico. Good why singathi if besine football federation eserious efana nabo Tunisia ngubu Hugo Bruce manje sakase Belgium. Kube sakasepe if it meant ukuthi simtholele ne private jet kupheka but yasifuna nokuthi ulale nabe hotel. Don't even go eat our food because it is bhatalela lokho kudla nani. Sala so ugibela uhamba ubuyelele eBelgium but ke hiyo leyo. So bafethu in closing I just want to give mina my starting lineup that I believe will be good enough for Bafana. Starting lineup that can challenge Ichecha, that can give them a tough time. A starting lineup that's going to help us on the ball, off the ball, and ezosiza futhi in transitional play. Goalkeeper, because Ageko Munye or Ronwen Williams. And the reason I'm saying Ageko Munye, this is the only goalkeeper Hugo Bruce believes in. Hugo Bruce only believes in Sipo Chain and Ricardo Kos if Ronwen Williams anga limala. Only then he'd even think of these two. Agabacabang nokbacabang alababoy two. And by the way, ngakumbula, bengpegelele i-Bucks camp the other day. And I saw Sipo Chain is one player that likes to speak up. Usugumile, he speaks up, and if into is wrong, Usipo Chenu addresser, and I commend him for that. And I think it's important that such players be part of a team because Usipo Chen is one player who likes to challenge. I'm a coach, I'm an analyst. When things are not going right, he can stand up and say that yeah, but we were wrong for doing this. Maybe Usipo Chen bebamthusela laphayana ku Bafana when he wasn't selected for the Nicaragua squad. Was it Nicaragua or Panama? For the game Panama. I think the reason bangambizanga uSipho Chen kula game leya uSipho Chen ngeAFCON there was a rumor yokuthi uSipho Chen ngeAFCON waphakama kuHugo Bruce and he pushed back and he challenged back. So uHugo Bruce is very arrogant, akathanda ukuchallengewa, akafuna ukuba wrong uHugo Bruce. That's why even when as a country thina siphakama we raise our opinions and say to him Lyle Foster is not offering anything to the national team, he continues to play him because he wants to prove us wrong. So his arrogance is killing the country, but not only the country, it's killing our players. And his arrogance continues to humiliate our players on the world stage. Umhlaba wonke ehleke bafana is a joke. But ke asiphume lapho. The only time Sipo Chen will get game time is if Ronwen Williams gets injured. And Ronwen Williams sharp udlalile kahle against Mexico. He was in the game, but also he had a few mistakes. Lama mistakes lawa wenzile laphana against Mexico. Some of them are mistakes that did cost us the game. Him passing Uyaya, si play Uyaya, yes, but Ronwen Williams and herself, Bekmela Shai goal kicker listen apagati chose to find Uyaya. He's never played that type of game Uyaya. We dala nabo Tebza, nabo Mvala, nabo Grand Kekana like game lea. But this thing of building from the back also, it's becoming an issue. And a lot of us South Africans are not ready to address Leon Dole. Building up from the back is costing us. Coach Maxine Etrugal, one of the most successful coaches Kaizer Chiefs has ever had. Ukulumile na ati. Yena he believes ugutu goalkeeper when it's time to kick the ball rather shy goal kick ulkhahlelele ngaphakathi because then it's a 50-50 chance uyalikhahlela liwela ku half ye checha sishaya isaba pressure swini ball siyakora. But when we are building from the back we are allowing these guys to reshape When you are building from the back, sabavumela ukuthi bakhave back lama spaces wabo, babuye futhi bazosimanka like where it hurts most la kumele ukuthi basivale khona. So those are some of the things uRonwen Williams ekumele ukuthi azilungise. But Ronwen Williams in goals. Left back kethu has to be Aubrey Modiba. I know Aubrey Modiba is not the strongest when it comes to tracking back and defending. He's good mostly on the ball, nangama counter, and then when it comes to defending, uNtswembu kuphela ngokuvala space Aubrey Modiba. And which to him, I'd like to advise him, ukuthi mfana, you need to work on your defending. You need to work on your defending. Bafana needs to learn man-to-man marking. I'm telling you, man-to-man marking, bafethu ibonile Cape Verde enzeni, man-to-man marking. Lento leyo ukuthi hayi uNtswembu he will track back akave space and then he'll go up. Amanye ama-counter ahlakaniphile ba-fast banishange counter bambone ukuthi umbobo. Against Mexico, there was a time like Mexico was penetrating mostly kwiside lakhe Aubrey Modiba. But because he's better than Samkelo Kabini, we don't have a choice. I'd rather play here on Aubrey Modiba, but he needs to work on alertness yakhe ne-awareness yakhe, especially when it comes to ukmarka, because nakusasa nabangaphoboza ngai we are in trouble. Bazophoboza ngai bashama cross Mbokazi short, Mbokazi mfishane, labantu laba bane height badla kakhulu ngamabhola asemoyeni, and amanye ama coach ahlakaniphile la khona manje ucoach weChecha is sitting down, he's watching the game yeBafana versus Mexico, he watched the game yeBafana against Cameroon and Egypt. He's worried about Bafana when they played against big teams, because when they play against big teams, that's when they have a lot of people watching them, which means ucoach wethu uthatha umsila ufake ndunu, uyathuka makazi ukuthi umhlaba wonke ubhekile. So lo coach uzobona ukuthi sadla ileft back yalabantu laba number 1 akathanda ukubuyela emuva yomarka, akaqinisi when it comes to man-to-man marking, so bhoboza ngai. So Aubrey Modiba must be careful angabi weak link ethu when it comes to defending kusasa. Over center back Mbekezeli Mbokazi. Why Mbekezeli Mbokazi? He's the most confident player in the team. He's the most confident player in the team Bafana. He has to be the only player okwazi ukungena egroundini akhohlwe ukuthi ucoach uthina avela asitshele ukuthi yimo dlala ucoach uzomemezile adlala igame yakhe. Mbekezeli Mbokazi played against Hugo Broos's system lela langa lela. Mbekezeli Mbokazi was the one looking for abo Ikram Reina sabashanga ama long pass. He was the one feeding abo Tebza. He was the one tracking back Amaka. He was the one that was shooting. He did most of the work. For me, my man of the match. Next to Mbekezeli Mbokazi, Oluwethu Makhanya. The reason I'm saying Oluwethu Makhanya, this boy plays in the MLS already. Uwajwayele lama condition lawa ya. Iweather, sekajwayele weather ya lapha ya. And he knows what it's like to play, ne? Listen to me very carefully manje bafethu. Lengizoyisho le ibaleka ukuhlula zonke izinto. Why I'm playing uMakhanya? He knows how to play in a stadium. Esigcwele, ne? But sigcwele leso stadium, not even 1% is supporting you. So what does that say about him? Ukwazi makadlala lapha eMLS lo mfana bamsupport abamazi nokumazi. He's not from America. So ukwazi ukudlala estadium esigcwele ngabantu abangamazi abahlula upronounce isibongo sakhe. Some of them are probably even booing him. He knows how to play in those conditions. Cause bafana kusasa, I'm telling you, I'm sure soba sina mafena 543 if bazoba bakhona abaningi. Cause we saw a lot of our friends couldn't get ama visa wokungena America. Ngithi niyazazi indaba zale America ze politics what. So play this boy. I've seen him. Lela langahlala neNicaragua, he was confident on the ball. He has this arrogance ngayo lo mfana lo. Unokuthatha ibhola all of a sudden umbona pusha a release a shama long pass, he covers backs, he tracks back, and because ena Mbokazi they play in the same league, I'd rather build a relationship nabo wethu and say that gents, you are the center backs esiwathembayo for the course of the tournament. The reason I'm saying this, because Nathi Sibisi was given a chance, he wasn't too bad but he wasn't good either. Ukon bampili chance yena angazi nokuthi beka yenzani lapha. So rather play lo mfana lo uMakhanya. Right back Khudiso Mudau, another one futhi. Caution yaka Khudiso Mudau, yeke lento le yokuba under pressure maceda lapho uyacasuka. Because Khudiso Mudau now has a tendency yokuthi when he's under pressure he becomes frustrated, then izandla zakhe ziqala ukuba loose. Uzoyenza lama mistake enzo Thembazwane. You remember nange AFCON he cost us ngale sandla sakhe kwaze kwaba ne penalty against Egypt. So he must stop playing in Nhliziyo maka under pressure. Keep calm gents, be composed. You've played in those conditions before. Nibuye kuyodlala iClub World Cup khona lapha eUSA. So you know what it's like to play against a crowd. You know what it's like to play against the crowd. So those are my defenders, and I think these guys will be solid at the back because all four of these guys that I've just mentioned, they're good on the ball. They know how to counter. They know how to track back. It's just Aubrey Modiba that I'm concerned about in terms of him marking. He needs to work on that. Khudiso Mudau, I'm just worried about my frustrations wakhe gamini. And the players need to learn to stay away from the ref. I remember thina sasebancane besithi mazidlala amanqala nale ucoach bekazanishaye ebenchini half time akhipha ibhanda azasho athi ngiphinde ngibone umunye umuntu ayokhuluma no referee ureferee maka revile phuma ku referee go back ku position yakho wena be ready for whatever decision the ref makes. That's discipline, guys. In the middle of the park, Tebza, Jaden Adams, no talent Mbatha. I'll tell you why I say this. Lamachit alawa mababo itri ne. Number one, they know how to add numbers in defense. Boy3, number one. Talent Mbatha is a box-to-box type of player. Utebza is a box-to-box type of player. Jaden Adams himself is a box-to-box type of player. All they need to do, they need to communicate to say that if lawyer pusha wena sala, if lawyer yehla wena sala, izintonyane ezifana nalezo. And the reason I believe in these guys is because Talent Mbatha knows how to shoot from outside and inside the box. Tebza Mokoena knows how to shoot from outside and inside the box. We've seen him score goals inside the box. Nisibonele nge-Champions League ukore kanjani. Mbatha, we've seen him distract ama goalkeeper ngama set piece. Goalkeeper dideka za punchy ball epaleni lakhe. So we need those kinds of tricks. Jaden Adams, for me, when it came to midfield here to that day, Mexico, he was the standout player for me, and I still don't understand why the coach substituted him. Jaden Adams is good on the ball. Game. I like how he controls the midfield. I like how he commands attention also in the middle of the park. He's another player. In front of these guys, on the left, Rilem Fukeng. On the right, Oban Lomfolo, Tapelo Masego for me. And then as a striker, Ndalu Iki Yuleka Ding. Then, second half, I change shape. Immediately, second half, my color, Ntonza, Oiwan, Pichunu Mbatha, no Adams, Mangim Tonza, I made a mistake, guys. I made a Bengfunu with Ozonapolis, not Tapelo Masego. I meant Ozonapolis. So it's really Ozonapolis, Ikram Reyners. Then, second half, meaning you change the shape of your game now, because I need to first half tactic like 7 kanjani, where did you get it wrong? But if I feel like we need complete dominance of the midfield, you take Urilem Fukeng, you push him to the number 10 position, you take Ozonapolis, you move him to the left, you pull out one between Mbatha nalomfana lo Jaden Adams naqada lapho ufaka uThapelo Maseko sabalanda manje sakijima. And then as the game continues, you don't Ikram Reyners ufaku evidence makhupa umfakelani the aerial betting lapha phambili ukuthi evidence makhupa wena siyazi ukuthi masinga crossela kwame uzolwa nala mabholo lawo, because when you have advantage of height. So that's what I would also do. I'd put you on evidence makhupa ngidonsu Ikram Reyners Ulali Foster akadlala nokudlala on that day. So as the game continues isikhathi masamba bese sengidonsa yena Ozonapolis ngifaka uTsepang Muremi. Why? I've seen what he's done for Orlando Pirates coming off the bench. I saw what he did for Bafana coming off the bench against the Angola. He came in and scored a goal, although the goal didn't stand by to offside Dagakoranga. But the following game, there's another game where he scored. So I think Utsepang Muremi is one player when he comes on second half. I'm a player so Kichimile, so go up and down, and you figure just rejuvenator. He refreshes the attack too. And I like the fact that he's so direct. Utsepang Muremi Tati Polo, Apagamisikanda, Ashai Cross Atolo Mahupa Hede. He did it against Kaizer Chiefs. He did it in multiple situations. Nombutu Malakorange head out, Utsepang Muremi, Omshange cross. So then evidence Mahupa is there for a height, Utsepang Muremi Uzofida. Sesia 50-50 nabo manje sababonisa ukuthi pega. Sinshayile la pants. Sesifuna ukubethila nane moyeni futhi. And then all Hugo Bruce needs to do is just keep motivating his players, keep believing in his players. Tell someone like Urilebohile Mofokeng ukuthi you are no longer the future, you are the present. You can't tell me Urilebohile Mofokeng at 21, 22 years sisatu iksasa. He's not. He's Aksasa. He is the present. So that's why Sfuna Dale Manje. Asfuna Dale next week, we want him to play now. He needs to shine now. He needs to build igama lakhe, career yakhe, reputation yakhe now. Ozonapolis now. Ama play kumele ukuthi adlale manje lawa. And can Hugo Bruce please respect us as a country? If he has no respect for himself, can he respect us? If yena akanandaba nokuwina, that's fine. That's on him. Thina siyafuna ukuwina. And by the way, one thing that the world needs to understand, Tina, we didn't say we want Hugo Bruce to go win the World Cup. Akunamuntu othi Hugo Bruce hambe uyele Mexico uyo win World Cup. Tina, if we are going to lose at the World Cup, sifuna ukuluza nge-style. We want to lose in such a way that we can also look back and say, Marama Chita lwile. Hayi lento yenzeka against Mexico. So if we do lose kusasa against Czechia, it should be a loss ukuthi nathi singathi masihleli phansi sisho ukuthi amfana machita lwile. Nibabonile abo police mara batabalazile. Nibabonile Mfukeng batabalazile. Can there not be defensive mistakes? Can there not be silly mistakes where someone is losing the ball for no reason? Can in midfield here to Jaden Adams, Tebza, Talent Mbatha be aware when you are calling the ball or when you are going to collect the ball from Ahmad defenders or even the goalkeeper, before China, just be aware of the noise. Be aware of what's happening behind you. And to the players, abanye, communicate no muntu makayilanda ibhola. Man behind. Watch out, be careful, whatever. Ningasebenzisa negama, ningasebenzisa nesitsotsi sala, so that laba bangesizwa ukuthi sithini shaya itsotsi italela eSouth Africa. Awubheke lapha emuva boy. Labantu laba ngeke bazizwe izinto ezifana nalezo. Emuva kwakho lapho njayam, you know? So those kinds of things. So let's really hope Hugo Broos can redeem himself ikusasa, although what he did against Mexico can't be forgotten, and it's unforgivable. That's not something, that's a silly mistake, and we are not going to forgive Leandro Leya. So that's why right now as the fans, this is the lineup we believe is good for Bafana Bafana. Let me know what you think of my lineup. Which players do you think should start? Do you think Bafana Bafana still stands a chance? Is it over for Bafana Bafana? Should we forget Gumnyama Ebson Benkau or Gwenzagalani? Kusasa bafethu sizoyibona le game isibone ukuthi Bafana Bafana izoyenzakalani. Hugo Broos, do what's right. Uyayas.